Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'll show you how you can keep your music or your movie playing even when you close the lid in your laptop. You can also keep any other processes like downloads or installations running even when you close your lid. So let's get started. First, press your Windows key and search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel and click on Hardware and Sounds. Now click on Power Options. Here your selected plan will be shown. Just click on Change Plan Settings. And now you will see when to turn off the display, when to put the computer to sleep. Now you can change this to your requirements, so that when you're on battery, maybe you want to turn off the display just in 2 minutes or 3 minutes, but when you're plugged in, maybe you want to turn off the display in 10 minutes. Okay, once you are satisfied with this, you can just click on Save Changes. Okay, now here in the left panel you can see choose what closing the lid does. Now click on this, and as you can see, it says when I close the lid I have selected do nothing. So in your case, sleep might be selected when the laptop is running on battery, and when you are plugged in, maybe sleep is selected here too. So for example, if you want to keep the music playing or keep any other process running when your lid is closed, when your laptop is being charged, you can just select do nothing here. And if you want nothing to happen even when you close your lid, even when your laptop is not charging, you can just click do nothing here. So now when you close your lid, nothing will happen. Your downloads will not be paused, your installations will not be interrupted, or your music will not be stopped even when you close your lid when you're on battery or when your laptop is being charged. Now just click on Save Changes, and you can just close this, and now you can just close your lid and nothing will happen. You will be completely functional. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.